Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of status not showing on the application of WhatsApp. You will go here to settings as you see. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of WhatsApp and you will click. Then here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.